Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Economic graphs can be tricky, but we can solve this quickly. Let's look at year 3 to find the correct statement about the current economy. In year 3, the graph shows that the actual real gross domestic product is currently sitting below the potential output level. This indicates that the entire economy is underperforming right now. When actual output is less than potential output, the economy is stuck in a recessionary gap. In this state, resources are not being used fully and labor demand is quite low. Because of this gap, the actual rate of unemployment must exceed the natural rate. That makes option E our final winner for this problem. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid rush, trust given data, and check steps carefully.